This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Chloe and I are on our way to church. Say hi, Chloe. This is a new week, new goals, new start, new blessings, and just another chance to get it right. I just wanted to open up the vlog since it's a new week, and I did do my weigh-in this morning, and I dropped 3 pounds from last week. Woo, thank you, Jesus. So anywho, let's get this good word, and I wish you all a blessed, prosperous week. All right, let's make it a good one. Make it a great one, okay? All right. Y'all will not believe this. Walking in church, look. This always happens to me. I'm always breaking my shoes. I don't know what it is. It's me buying these cheap shoes. Oh, y'all, it's after church, but thank God I had my slippers in this car. I wouldn't have been able to go to church. See, with the enemy meant for bad, he had already worked it out. But I got to stop buying these cheap shoes. Those shoes came from Misguided, which I guess Shein, I don't know, but that was my first time wearing them. I can't do it. This has happened to me too many times. Anywho, I made it into the house of the Lord. That's all that matters. But y'all have a beautiful Sunday, and like I said, blessed and prosperous week. All right. Happy Monday. It's me. I'm back. However, baby, I could only do 2 miles today. OMG. Those 2 miles kicked my tail. You hear me? Like, I don't know. I guess because it's Monday. I guess because I haven't walked since Wednesday last week. Whatever it is. I did get something in, but I couldn't do 3 miles today. I just couldn't do it. But like I said, those 3 pounds that I gained, I did lose them. That's what's important. Now I'm back on track, y'all. I'm back on track. Let me be transparent for a moment. I went to the doctor on Thursday. I had a physical done, which I went because I wanted to get my blood work. I wanted to know my numbers. It's important to know your numbers. Now, cholesterol is high. Cholesterol is 245. Y'all, I got my blood work done last year in February. My cholesterol was 194, which was perfect. Because, you know, it's between 0 to 199 as a good cholesterol. Anything over 199, really 200 is high. I've gained weight. I've been eating like crazy. So, you know, your body is just like a car. You only get out of it what you put into it. That's why I got to do better. A1C, pre-diabetic, I can't do that. And I had some other numbers that were high, like my LDL went up. Your LDL is your bad cholesterol. My HDL went up too, but it only went up like 2 points. I usually have a HDL, which is your good cholesterol. I usually have a HDL of like between 60 something, 70 something, which is good. The whole point is, I'm glad I know my numbers, and now I'm working. I'm going to work even when school starts. I might not want to, but I have to. I got to bring all those numbers down. So anyway, I just wanted to check in. We are preparing Miss Chloe for camp. She's going to cheer camp. I will bring you all with me on Friday. We go to see their performance. I'm going to bring y'all with me. Y'all, my life is blessed. However, I don't really do much. I love brunch, but I got to stay away from brunch for a little bit right now. I need some pounds to come off. So I've really not been doing anything but going to church, coming to the track, and that's pretty much it. And filming videos for you all. And that's it. So that's my life. If you love my content, I need you to subscribe to the channel. I need you to click your notification bell so you don't miss out on the video. Thumbs up the video. I need the engagement, y'all. And of course, I need you to share it. Sharing means caring. And I will see you beautiful people later. Great morning. Happy Tuesday. Guess what today is, y'all? Chloe goes to cheer camp for the first time as a varsity cheerleader. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Say good morning, Chloe.
Good morning.
We're currently getting the girls something to eat and then taking her to the school. They're supposed to leave around 7:30. It's currently 7:07. I was planning to go walk, but I am about to film a couple of Fashion Nova try-on hauls, so be on the lookout. I don't know if y'all will get this vlog before or after. So I really need to prepare. Chloe oiled my scalp and just kind of gave me a refresher in the front. And if I go walk, that sweat, this is it's just gonna mess it up. I need to film these 2 videos before that happens. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all see how she looks when we get to the school. Y'all look at my girl. Step back, Chloe, so they can see you before you put your jacket on. Y'all look at Chloe. Y'all look at my varsity cheerleader. Check out the face cord. Right, y'all, my varsity cheerleader.
Push your stuff all the way back because we gotta get everybody's stuff home. Do we get on the bus now?
Wait, I need to take my pictures. Come over here. Come on, go. Like she brand new right now. Okay, y'all, let me get some pictures. Let me get the thumbnail. Now remember, all your stuff is in the back. I love you.
It's hot.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so I lied. I started feeling convicted, and I'm like, those numbers I just told y'all about yesterday, I was thinking to myself, baby, I can't afford to not go to the track today. I did 2 miles. I didn't do 3 because I got here after 8 o'clock. And that sun is out and the hair didn't do too bad. I needed to do something though. So I did get 2 miles in, and that's all that matters, because I know I can't work out tomorrow. I know I cannot come here at all because I am filming tomorrow, and I wanted to get at least 3 days in this week. I just had to show y'all and let y'all know that I am staying motivated. This is self-motivation. Those numbers, self-motivation. Make sure you move your body. So anyway, I will catch you beautiful people. Probably, I don't know, I may show y'all how I look tomorrow. I don't know, but I am filming tomorrow, so I may show y'all a little bit of that. Some behind the scenes. I don't know if y'all do, but I love to see behind the scenes of filming videos. So anyway, adios. Great morning, y'all. I just got me a Starbucks. I did not go walk today. I had to make a quick run to the ATM. Now I'm going home to start doing my makeup. Remember, I'm filming today, and I miss my baby. Chloe is at camp. So I just wanted to tell y'all good morning. I wanted y'all to see me like this before I show y'all how I look when I'm getting ready to film. But y'all already know. Y'all know I clean up well, so no brag, just fact. Oh, look, I did my nails. I did my nails yesterday. Y'all know I'm a press-on girly. I stopped going to the nail shop back when COVID hit. So anyway, I'll call y'all back. Y'all, I can't believe I'm just not coming back. I done finished both videos. Let me just get, oh, got my tag all in the front. But can y'all see? Be on the lookout for a Fashion Over dress haul, and the other one was just the try on haul. I don't know if this video will make it before then. If you see this video before you see the try on haul, I need you to pause this one, go check them out, and then come back and finish this one. All right? So y'all, I am hungry. All I ate was breakfast at like 6 something this morning. I have not had a snack. I have not had any water because when I'm filming, I need my stomach to be on flat. I'm hungry. I will call y'all back later. Hey y'all, after all that shooting, I'm getting some lunch. Table for one. Got me some bread, Shirley Temple. Sometimes we need that me time. I don't have a problem with coming and eat by myself. I don't have a problem with it. Let me enjoy my bread.
Right now, baby, lock it. Right now. Any 3 Coca-Cola 20-ounce bottles will arrive. Only a timeline.
Winning. Did y'all see that? $1.89. I can't tell you the last time I paid $1.89 for gas. But hey, I will take it. Blessings on blessings. Great morning. Happy Friday. Today is the last day of cheer camp where the parents are invited to come and see the girls perform. Y'all, I had to park in this parking garage. I do not like parking garages. They are creepy. I think I've watched too much television. But anyway, let me get out the car because it's a lot of people parking, and I need to get out and walk with some folks. So I just wanted to tell y'all good morning before y'all just see what's going on at the last day of cheer camp. I'll call y'all back in a little bit. girls right there. Well, y'all, that's a wrap. Cheer camp is done and we are on our way to the house, and I am closing out the vlog. It's raining, so I'm gonna make this quick. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to click your notification bell, thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Remember, engagement, engagement, engagement. Share the video, and I will see each one of you in the next one. Adios.